says that technically it will be legal to perform an abortion in the case if a woman's life is in danger, but that's not always a really black and white decision. And so that's absolutely going to impact the way physicians decide to practice medicine. If they're in fear of going to jail for the rest of their lives, that decision to save a woman's life is going to become more complicated. And I fear that women are going to suffer. We're going to go back to the 50s, 60s, when there were entire wards of hospitals of women who were dying from unsafe abortions. And that's not what I signed up to do. I signed up to take care of my patients and to do the right thing for them.
This law is going to affect the poorest and most vulnerable people in our society. Middle-class women, rich women, we can leave the state and go get an abortion somewhere else. But poor women, especially women of color, immigrant women, have the least ability to avoid this law and control our own reproductive choices.